Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we will talk about how we can identify trend in the market. So first of all, we have to keep one thing in our mind that every time frame has its own trend. So whether it's a daily, 4-hour, 1 hour, or a 30-minute time frame, we have a trend on each and every time frame. So these the trend can be the same or they can be the different. They can be same or they can be different. So like for the trend, if the market is going in the upward direction, or basically if we are making higher highs and higher lows, so we are like in an uptrend, and in the downtrend, basically if the market is going to the downside in the downward direction, and if we are making lower lows and lower highs, so we are in a downtrend. So like for the uptrend, if suppose the price is creating high, and then we create a low which is higher than the previous low, and then again we break the high and create a new high, and then we are making a pullback. So basically we are creating market structure where we are creating a higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So it means we are in an uptrend. So when we talk about the pullback, so the pullback can be to this recent broken area, which is kind of break and retest, or we can make a pullback to somewhere in the middle between this support and this support, or we can make a pullback all the way to this support area, but that should be higher than the previous low to confirm that it's an uptrend. So this is how we will identify the uptrend, that the market is making higher highs and higher lows, right? Every new highs will be higher than the previous high, every new low will be higher than the previous low. So higher highs and higher lows. Same in the downtrend, if we are making lows and lower highs, so this high is lower than the previous high, then we create a low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So if we find this kind of market structure, then we will say that okay, the market is going to the downside, or we are in a downtrend, right? So like this is a daily chart on the gold. So the process that I'm going to follow on on this chart will be applicable to any time frame, right, where you are going to identify the trend. So like let's start with here. So like this one is going to be the highest point, so we will start with the highest point. We see that okay, we came down, we broke this previous higher low of this uptrend. So basically we created a low, and then the price came up, created a resistance, right, or basically a lower high, right? Then we broke the previous low, created a new low, then the price came up kind of to the same area, right, find resistance, so we will consider it a lower high, and continuation of this downtrend, broke the previous low, created a new low, then we are waiting for the price to come up, create a lower high somewhere below the previous high, right? So we found resistance. This one is going to be a lower high of this downtrend. Again, we broke the previous low, created a new low. Once we created this new low, we were waiting for some kind of resistance to find, and continue going to the downside as we are in this downtrend. But what happens, price went moving up, find support in this area, kept going up, and we broke the previous lower high of this downtrend. Basically broke this high, created a new high, right? So in this situation, because we have broken this market structure to the downside, broken this lower low, lower high structure, so we create a new high. So like there is a potential this downtrend has come to an end, and the price may start making higher highs and higher lows, which is an indication of a bullish trend. So once we create this high, this one is our low of this bearish trend. So now if we create a low which is higher than this one, then it means it's an indication of a bullish trend, or a beginning of a bullish trend, right? So we created this high, after that we came down, created a low which is higher than the previous low, right? And after that we broke the previous high, created a new higher high, right? So basically this is like new market structure, a new trend which is a bullish trend, and right now we created a new high. So we are waiting for some kind of a support or a higher low which should be higher than the previous low, like to confirm the continuation of this bullish trend to the upside, right? So market will be in an uptrend until and unless we don't break this higher low of this uptrend. So that is how we will identify that the market was going in a downtrend, and with the reading the market structure, we find out that the trend has changed, and right now the market is moving to the upside, started making higher highs and higher lows. So this is the way, guys, you can find out the trend on any time frame. So So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you really did like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel in order to support the channel and YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. See you in another video.